Guys, today we're back and today I'm unboxing some of fidgets because I bought this little fidget pack. I didn't expect this much stuff to be in here. It's literally amazing. It's awesome. I got a few mochis. I barely have any mochis as fidgets for some reason, even though they're like the most mochi ever. So I didn't really see this in the pack. So they got these. They also got these hang-on things. So it's this little thing. Like and then I don't know what this does. Oh, you spin it around. So it's like this opens. Does this open? And then on the side, you got these little two things. I feel like this opens for some reason. And then you got this side, spiky. So, yeah, we got that. Then we got, I believe this is an OG dimple. I don't know. I think this is an OG dimple, so let's unbox this. Okay, so oh my god, I love it. Ooh, it has textured stuff on this. So this is like texture area. This tells you numbers in Spanish, like uno, dos, I think. In Spanish. Uno, like uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, I think. Ocho, nueve, dies. So I think, yeah. So it's all the way to 10, I think. Yeah. And on this side, there's numbers. So this is where it starts at 1. So 1, 2, 3. It has the numbers printed on it, but you can't really see it in the camera. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait. Yeah, 9, 10, I think. Yeah. So this is pretty good, and it's also rainbow. And that's pretty cool. I saw ones that spins. I saw snakes that look like this, but usually they're bigger, so you can connect your snake. So this is a snake. There's another snake right here. So this is the most shocking thing, pretty much. So I'm guessing these are baby monkey noodles. I don't really know, but I'm so, like, I've never saw these in the packaging, but these are really cool. Like, I love them. Like, look at these. They're so cute. I think they're baby monkey noodles. And then I saw this, so I know the name. It's called a DNA ball. And it looks like this. So let's just put them out in the air. Wow. Okay. So you can make mini globbles out of this if it breaks. I mean, I'd say it's pretty good. I like it a lot. And then I got this little bear puppet. I heard running. I like how both sides are like easy to pop. So, yeah, good. And then we have a pea popper right here. Oh my god. Here, pea popper. So, middle one, I think. Middle, we have the middle one right here. It's kind of hard, squish. And a lot of people had this at my school, but they're pretty much all broken. And then I've never knew this name. I've saw it a bunch, but I don't know the name. It's like an infinity rig thing. So, like this. Here's a pop tube. Here's another tube. Here's another one. And another one. So I got 4 pop tubes. Some mochis. Look at it, it's a pink kitty. So cute. Squishy. It's so cute. And then we have another one that's the same. My sister doesn't really know fidgets, so if anyone interrupts me, that's because she wants to know the name. Here's another mochi. It's pretty much the same, but it's a white cat with pink ears. So, these are them up close. And then I got some marble meshes. And then we got 2 of the same color marble mesh. And then, I'm not lying, these are pretty stupid. But, this is actually my favorite. Like, this is my dream fidget. They're called finger rings. I really like them. So someone's gonna interrupt me in probably like 3, 2. Nope, never mind. So I actually got silver ones and gold ones. Oh, so we actually got 2 pea poppers. So here's another one. And here goes 2 more mochis. They're all the same, like, pets, but they have a different color scheme. So, this one is a gray cat. Now, I like this one, even though they're all the same. I like this one, because doesn't it kind of looks like Pikachu. You just need to add like the brown stripes and stuff. Okay, so we only have 2 more things left. So we actually got an infinity cube. So, an infinity cube is like baby yellow. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of, here, I have like a DIY fidget. So, it looks like this. Baby yellow. And then it has blue too. So, this is a baby blue. And then this is the yellow. So, yeah. And then last but not least, we have this rainbow along this top bit. I don't have this pocket. So it's pretty cool. So okay, so now I'm gonna be telling you my favorite fidgets and kind of like rating them. So first we're gonna do favorite fidgets. My favorite fidgets are these fingerlings. So these are one of my favorites. I really like this infinity cube, but I don't really like it that much. So you would think that my favorites are these monkey noodles, but it's kind of not. So my favorite one here is pretty much my fingerlings. I know it's kind of stupid. My second favorite, maybe monkey noodles, or the infinity cube. So, but I like the monkey noodles a bit more. So that's my second favorite. This is my third favorite. Oh my god, third favorite. This is my fourth favorite. So this is my fifth favorite because I've never really had a snake before. This is my fifth favorite because this is my sixth favorite. This is my seventh favorite. And this is gonna take forever. So I like these monkey noodles, but not as so. Before I say anything else, my lights are kind of done because they keep flickering. So yeah. Anyways, back on. So I would say these might be my favorite, but not as well as these finger rings because I really like the finger rings. And they've been my dream, so yeah. I'm gonna be doing a little ASMR, I guess. So I don't know if I'm doing this right because I've never really did ASMR. Okay, I'm starting to get bored. Sorry, my ASMR voice is kind of gone. But, yeah. So, this is an infinity cube. So let's see here. Sneak. Next, I don't know if this even makes sound, but this weird thing that I don't even know. Okay. Marble mesh. Okay. So we pretty much did all of them. I'm guessing. So this was a really great time. I haven't really did finger bangs. They don't really make sound. So yeah. Neither did I do mochis, but they don't really make sound either. Or the pea poppers. So let's try monkey noodles. And yes, I'm never undoing them. They're beautiful. So So, let's count how many fidgets we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. It's been like 26 minutes. So we have 30 poppets in this set. That's pretty awesome. Not gonna lie. So, yeah, that's all I have for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So, yeah. Bye, guys.